Okay, we are going to demonstrate first of all the compound assignment operator. We have on line 7, we initialize a to 5. I will now call him to line 8 to say a is equals to 8 plus 5, which is 5 plus 5. So when we say C out a, the expected result should be 10. Expected result should be 10. Good. So we can as well rewrite this using compound assignment. Since we said when we come to compound assignment, if the value on the left hand side is part of the value on the right hand side, that means it's a good candidate for compound assignment operator. So we have this a plus square equal to 5. So let's see whether it will also give us the same value of 10. Beautiful. We got the same value. Turn it to minus. Maybe we want to subtract 2. Subtracting 2 from 5 should give us 3. So let's look at it to see whether it will work. Subtracting 2 from 5 should give us 3. Oh, that is the demonstration of compound assignment operator. So let's go further to look at the increment and decrement operators, or what we call the decrease and increase operator. So let's have int a. Let's say we assign the value 5 to a. Int b, we assign the value 10 to b. Let's demonstrate. A plus 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 b, C out a is equals to a and L C out B and also add another space. So let's look at this. We said that when a plus plus, which is the postfix, or plus plus b, which is prefix, are on their own, that they actually mean the same thing. They actually mean increase by 1. So when we run this program, we expect to see that a is 6 and b is 11. Both were increased by 1. Whether it is postfix or prefix, increment took place. Something is not right somewhere. Where are we getting 6 from? Oh, sorry, I didn't print b. I printed a instead of b. Sorry for that. Let me run it again. To be 6 and 11. Beautiful. So we have something like this, 6 and 11. So we said when both are standing alone, they mean the same thing. They mean increase by 1. But however, when both are part of another operator, and I mean another statement, there is a big difference. Let me just do the same thing. A plus 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 b. It's looking a bit complicated, but remember what we said. Okay, maybe let me use multiplication symbol so that you will not get confused because of the too many plus signs. All right, on the left hand side of the plus multiplication symbol is a plus plus, and on the right hand side of the multiplication symbol is plus plus b. So how would this be evaluated? Okay, I'll have to also print C. Sorry, let me copy it. And now say C. Excuse me. So what happens here? We say in postfix, we say use before increasing. use the value before increasing. So the value in A is 5. So in this multiplication, is 5 we are going to use. So after multiplying by 5, before we increase it to by 1, so therefore A will be 6. But yet, what is on this part of the multiplication symbol is 5. So what we have is 5 times. Then on coming to the right hand side of the multiplication symbol, we have plus plus B, which is increase me before using me. B is 10, and it says increase me before multiplying me, means that B becomes 11. So therefore what we are having is 5 times 11, which gives us 55. But after that, A will become 6, because A said use me before use me before increasing me. That means use me as 5 in this multiplication is 5 times. Then this one says increase me before using me is 10, is increased by 1 is 11. So 5 times 11 is 55. After that, A becomes 6, while B remains 11. So let's see. "72, where did we get it wrong? Okay, I get it now. I think what happened is that I forgot that an increment happened in line 9 and 10. So sorry, let me comment this part. I forgot that it happened. So because it happened, it affected the result. So let me comment it. Let our A be 5, let our B be 10. So that one will say A plus plus times plus plus B is saying use me as 5 first before multiplying B, which is increase B first, which is B becomes 11. So we're having 5 times 11, which will give us 55. Good, that is correct now. So A is 6, B is 11, while C is 55, meaning that what we use for this multiplication here is 5, which is use me first before increasing me. So we used it at 5 to multiply. This one say increase me first before using me. So let's turn this to plus plus A times plus plus B. The interpretation changes and I say increase me before using me. So 5 is now 5 plus plus 5 is 6, plus plus 10 is 11. So what we are having here is 6 times 11, which is now 66. So we're going to have 66 as the result. Very correct. Then finally, let me just tweak this guy now and change him to plus plus here. Let's look at it again. This one says use me before, increase me before using me for prefix. So plus plus A means increase A by 1, A becomes 6, times B plus plus say no, use me before increasing me. So B is 10. It will be 6 times 10, which is 60, before we now increase B by 1. So B will become 11, A will become 6, while the C will become 60. Correct. And finally, let's now try this. Have I tried this before? Okay. Plus plus times plus plus, that's I think we have tried that. So we can try minus minus, rather. We can try minus minus here. So let's say A times minus minus B. Already A is 5, nothing happened to A, times minus minus B. You say decrease me before using me. So A is 5 times 10 minus 1 is 9. So it's going to be 5 times 9, 45. Correct. Is there any other tweaks to it? Okay. Plus plus. That is still 45. Why A will increase by 1 after. Still 45, but A will increase by 1 after. Right. I think that's a twist to it. So what we have just looked at is the plus plus, which is increase, and minus minus, which is decrease operator. We said when they stand alone, as it is in line 9 and line 10, that they are doing the same thing. They are just increasing the value by 1. But when they become part of another expression on the right hand side of the equality sign, that the interpretation changes. The A++, which is postfix, means use my value before increasing it by 1. But when it comes at prefix, it means increase my value by 1 before using me in the expression. I think that is enough for today's video. We are going to be looking at the next operator in our next video. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Like this channel and subscribe to it. Thank you.